Ready to ditch that default branding and make your project truly your own? This tutorial will guide you through removing the Lovable branding badge from your website or project, giving you a clean and personalized look that matches your unique brand identity and design vision. First, we need to locate the specific files responsible for displaying the Lovable badge. This usually involves navigating through your project's directory structure. Open your project files, your preferred editor. We're looking for a piece of code that directly references the Lovable branding or its associated text. Carefully identifying and then removing or commenting out this specific line of code is the key action. Be precise. You only want to remove the badge's display, not any essential website functionality. After making the change, save your file and refresh your website in your browser. See? The Lovable badge is gone, leaving a much cleaner aesthetic. Now you have the freedom to add your own custom branding, a subtle watermark, or simply leave it clean for a minimalist appeal. This step is crucial for enhancing the overall aesthetic and reinforcing your brand's presence. Congratulations, you've successfully customized your project's appearance by removing the Lovable badge. Enjoy the enhanced visual appeal and the truly personalized feel of your work.